Hey guys, I'm your host and welcome back to the channel. So, how are you guys? I hope you are doing fine. So, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to set up your Uber account, which is very easy. Now, I'm going to guide you through some steps which will easily make you log in. So, let's start. So, firstly, of course, download the Uber app and then open it. After opening it, let it load, and here is the first screen. It will say Uber move around safely because of the COVID restriction right now. But in order to start, click on get started. It will show you your basic entry information page. Now here you decide how do you want to register. Do you want to register by mobile number? Do you want to register by Apple, Facebook, Google with email? Any option you want. Now to make this easy, I'm just gonna select Google. So in this, Uber wants to use google.com to sign in. Okay, continue. It will ask me to click on my Google Gmail and it will be open. After that, it will show the loaded screen of welcome to Uber, customizing your experience. Now make sure that your Google account is logged in your web browser. Otherwise, you can also log in by entering your password. Now this is your user interface. Basically, now here you can decide where you want to go, what places do you want to go. And now you can see on the right bottom corner, here is your account option. In this option you can see your profile, your rating, help, wallet, any other option. Just click on this profile person and you will see your basic account info, your number, your Gmail, your everything else. So this is how you log in into the Uber app. This was very basic. I hope you found this useful. Subscribe to the channel will be much appreciated. Thank you for watching.